Let me give you some perspective. I almost started singing then. Look at what happens within the first sell-off, the initial sell-off after an event. Look at what happens in the market, that is, 6 months later and 1 year later. Well, a year later, the average total return 1 year later from the event isn't too bad. Very often, time and time again. Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, 26% up. I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, the West conspired with Putin for this invasion and they're going to split the profits. Anyway, have a look. Have a look at this data. It's really more to say, let's get some perspective, and it might not be the end of the world. Of course, other than nuclear Armageddon, but at least we'll have some stock market gains. Don't know what we'll spend it on. Probably nuclear bunkers and cans of beans, but anyway. Have a look at the links in my bio. Do not forget to follow, because middle-aged men like me really can do with the dopamine hits. It's the only sort of excitement we get at my age. So make sure you follow, subscribe, whatever they call it, on TikTok. Links in the bio as well. Look at all of those. Just basically do all that all day long and I'll just be happy. Make an old man happy. That's how you do it. Links in the bio.